My string has slipped through into the hole. It is gone forever. It is a national tragedy. I'm gonna go to my local arts and crafts store and grab a crochet hook. Here we are. And it is mobbed here. This section is rocking. It is packed here. It is like a nightclub. So patiently wait your turn, scout out your selection.
Don't be rude.
And then get in there. Get in there, check out the colors, check out the sizes for your particular situation. See which one you want. For me, I'm gonna go for a large one here. For my situation, size does matter. Size matters. I went to my local Michael's and I grabbed a crochet hook. So let's take it home and see if this does the trick. I think it will though. Let's check it out. As I was gone, the pants did not fix themselves. The drawstring did not fix itself. We need something to go in there and we need to do something about this. All right, let me open my crochet tool. It cost about $5 and it's gonna go, oh, fits right in there, perfect. My strategy will be to, I guess, hook the knot, or I think it'll actually grab onto the drawstring. I think these crochet tools are made to grab right onto the drawstring, so I think we can hook right onto anything. Oh, thank God I got a big one, because, oh, it's not even there. Come with me on this journey as we do a deep dive. Look how far we got to go in. We do a deep dive to get my drawstring. Use your other hand to help it along. Okay, I got something. It's got something already. Help it pull it out. Help it pull it out. Oh, we got something. Here we go. Let's see what we got. If this is the solution, here we go. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. Freedom. Let freedom ring.
Wow.
And a little slow motion for you guys. A little instant replay. It feels so good coming out. Yes. Relive that moment. Freedom. All right, the brothers are reunited and they are happy together. Don't let anybody tell you how to style. If you want to put those pants back in rotation, put them back in. Put those bad boys back in rotation.